To troubleshoot an inventory item not deducting from sales, navigate to a sales report to confirm that the product was sold. If the product was sold, navigate to the Manage Products grid and find the item in question. Select the blue pencil icon to edit the product. If the item is a sales and inventory item, on the Profile tab, check that the inventory tag is selected in the Product Types field. If the item is a sales item only, open the Recipe tab and check that the inventory item not deducting is linked in the recipe. Should the item not be within the recipe, add the item to the recipe, making sure that the quantity column is updated correctly. Save the product. This will ensure that at the next sale, the item will be deducted.